Hey Sam, tell me, how can I improve my English speaking skills?
You can try speaking to yourself in English.
What if I make mistakes while speaking English?
Making mistakes is part of the learning process. Don't be afraid.
How can I find someone to practice English with?
Don't worry, I am with you. Let's start.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and fruit.
How do you get to work or school?
I take the bus.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I have lunch and then work on my assignments.
Do you have any hobbies in the evening?
Yes, I like to read or watch TV.
What time do you have dinner?
I usually have dinner around 7 p.m.
How do you relax before bed?
I take a warm shower and then read for a bit.
Do you set an alarm for the next day?
Yes, I set my alarm for 6:30 a.m.
Do you check your emails in the morning?
Yes, I check my emails while having breakfast.
What's your favorite part of the morning routine?
Drinking a cup of coffee while watching the sunrise.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
About 30 minutes.
Do you exercise before or after work?
I prefer to exercise after work.
What's your least favorite chore?
Doing the dishes.
How often do you do laundry?
Once a week.
Do you plan your meals in advance?
Yes, I plan my meals for the week.
What's your bedtime routine?
I brush my teeth, read a book, and then go to sleep.
How do you unwind after a long day?
I like to take a relaxing bath.
Do you listen to music while doing chores?
Yes, it makes the chores more enjoyable.
What's your favorite evening snack?
Popcorn or fruits are my most favorite.
How do you stay organized throughout the day?
I use a planner to jot down tasks and appointments.
Do you have any morning rituals?
Yes, I like to stretch and meditate for a few minutes.
What's your go-to breakfast on busy mornings?
A banana and a yogurt.
How often do you water your plants?
Every other day.
Do you have a favorite TV show to watch in the evenings?
Yes, I enjoy watching sitcoms.
What's your favorite part of the bedtime routine?
Putting on cozy pajamas and snuggling into bed.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Yes, it's a habit.
How do you wind down before bedtime?
I dim the lights and listen to calming music.
What's your morning beverage of choice?
Coffee or tea.
Do you have a favorite spot to relax at home?
Yes, I love sitting by the window with a good book.
How do you prepare for the day ahead?
I review my schedule and make a to-do list.
What's your favorite breakfast cereal?
I like cornflakes with milk.
How do you stay motivated in the morning?
I listen to upbeat music while getting ready.
Do you enjoy cooking dinner?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
What's your favorite fruit for snacking?
I enjoy apples or grapes.
Do you prefer showering in the morning or evening?
I prefer showering in the evening.
How do you keep track of appointments?
I use a digital calendar on my phone.
What's your favorite evening beverage?
Herbal tea or hot chocolate?
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I read a few pages of a book before sleeping.
How often do you vacuum the house?
Once a week.
Do you enjoy going for walks?
Yes, especially in the park.
What's your favorite part of doing laundry?
Folding warm clothes.
Do you plan meals for the whole week?
Sometimes, but I prefer planning day by day.
How do you unwind after work?
I watch a short episode of my favorite show.
Do you prefer to cook or order takeout?
I prefer cooking, it's healthier.
What's your favorite way to spend Sunday mornings?
Having a leisurely breakfast with family.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it therapeutic.
How do you keep yourself entertained during long commutes?
I listen to podcasts or audiobooks.
Do you have a favorite candle scent for relaxation?
Lavender or vanilla?
What's your go-to comfort food?
Macaroni and cheese.